Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, we're going to make a really easy chicken avocado pasta salad. We're going to throw this together in absolutely no time. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using for this simple salad. So I've got some pasta here. You can use any type of pasta you want. Spaghetti, penne. I'm using a farfalle, like the little bow. So I've got some olives here. I've got some nice Kalamata olives. You can be using any olives you want. Some bell peppers, nice bit of color and crunch. Some onions. I'm using red, sliced really, nice and thin. Here I've got one breast chicken, which I boiled just in a little bit of salt water. When it cooled down, I shredded it. I've got some little tiny pickles there, like a little cucumber pickle. Give it a nice crunch and, nice sharpness. Fresh mint, that's the fresh herb I'm using today, but parsley, basil, or anything else actually. But yeah, mint, it works wonders in this. Olive oil and lemon juice. A few chili flakes. Optional, you don't have to put that in. I just like the kind of kick of that. A little bit of garlic, and of course a nice ripe avocado. Now all of the ingredients amounts will be in the text below. The reason I haven't cut the avocado just yet is I want to do that last minute because it can go brown quite easily. All we're going to do here is get this all in a mixing bowl, and it's pretty easy. It's just done. Okay, so mixing bowl, there we go. There's our pasta. Let's start off by dropping in the onions. I've kind of just done mine in rings. Chop it if you want. Those little pickles. We'll get in that chicken, one chicken breast, shredded after I boiled that. We'll get those olives in, those peppers, a few chili flakes, like I say, optional, but I like it in there. We're going to go olive oil, lemon juice or lime juice, some black pepper, some salt, those minced leaves, I've not chopped them really, just picked them off, and then that garlic. Only one more thing was that's our avocado, which as you can see now I've cut that open. In that goes. And then what we're going to do is go for a mix, and it's all over. And that's it, super easy. Think about adding some other things if you want, like some cucumber or something in there would work. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.